Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to renew your registration at a California DMV kiosk. So, this is helpful because it's fast, it's easy, and then you can get your sticker right there on the spot. So, here's how it works. So, first, use the DMV or use a DMV kiosk. So, this is a quick way to do your renewal in person without going through a long process. So, next, enter your vehicle information. Just follow what the kiosk asks for and then take your time so everything you enter is correct because that's how it pulls up the right registration details. And then after that, pay the fee and then the kiosk will guide you step by step. So just make sure that you finish the payment all the way through before moving on. So once you're done paying, you'll receive your sticker on the spot. So that means you don't have to wait around. You can just grab it and then you're finished. So fast and easy, find a kiosk near you. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.